English day today, mate.
You do?
Yeah. They're the ones that have gone flat within 3 weeks. Snickers, you suck.
You're busy, Lee.
Very busy, man. My parents different. I am taller than him. Bring the camera over.
It's more of a, and I'm going to have to beat this bit out.
But there's children in the house. Some people are small, some people are
Gorgeous. So, I've been waiting for you to say. Thought I was having a Matwell.
I've already told you.
Hey, you've arrived at the destination.
Who's going to cut the sows first?
That's not very nice. What's up on what?
It's called blood, sweat and spirit.
Oh, this thing.
Needs to bleed. Pass me a knife then.
How come we not using spray glue?
What? Spray glue? You got a carbon monoxide line?
Yeah.
Go and get a bit of spray and spray it by that, see what happens.
Oh, I can't wait to get this man. What joy.
This took all of 1 minute and 5 seconds.
To be fair, there's still a little bit of movement in the carpet. I'm still not quite happy it's got enough, so we're just going to give it another go. See if we get any more out of it, which we quite clearly can.
That's a long tool you got. You move that with your hands without trying to ruckle it. The answer's no.
Just.
Got a huge job, little Matwell.
Bloody hell, right, there's a lot of mats in my life these days.
Yeah.
And they're all small and tight.
I fancy a bacon sausage, egg and cheese sandwich.
Oh, right, okay.
What are you having?
Right, boys. Have fun. I'm off now, yeah?
What? Where do you think you're going?
I've got to go to that thing, that delivery.
I don't think so.
How is it? Got your broom? You ain't finished.
Oh, nice of you to come back.
I've got your broom, mate. Don't panic.
Surprised you still want to fit that.
I ain't. You can do it. I'm telling you.
Well, you've got me half a brew.
Demi cup of tea, mate. Demi.
Go! Go! Thank you, Mr. Council Worker.
How you getting on, bro?
Okay, well, a lot better if you stop whacking the door off my head. This one's for Ian Wilkinson. It's the way the photo.
What else?
You just put pictures up earlier.
Pictures, please.
The room looks smaller there.
That's my seat.
Oh, it's definitely built for you, you sugar ass.
Send it to the dipstick.
Look, stop moaning. You're more than capable. It's only a little Matwell.
Can't have a radio on. No, copyright. Are we going to do some talking about floors?
Not really.
No.
Let's just get out this junction without
Having a crash, yeah.
How come we not using spray glue?
What?
Take 17.
Yeah, the outtakes are the best bit at the end. Because I'm not using an external microphone, you've got to speak up.
What? Right, you're not using an external mic. We're not getting one.
Come on.
Your camera's still up, mate. I think it's the least of our... What's that? I mean, that's 7 seconds of footage, you know that, don't you?
Yeah, well,